Hotpoint's fridge freezers offer you complete flexibility with a range of sizes, configurations and colours, including white and graphite, as well as frost-free options. You can choose what size fridge freezer is right for your food storage requirements and what split is right for you, 60-40 or 50-50. With this amount of choice, you are sure to find the appliance that suits you and your family's requirements. Hotpoint fridge freezers are A+ rated for energy efficiency, so they cost less to run. Our standard range fridge freezers have a different internal design that gives you extra storage space. By choosing frost-free, you totally eliminate the chore of defrosting your freezer, saving you precious time and energy. The AirTech Evolution system keeps food fresher for longer thanks to constant temperature control and improved air circulation, which ensures improved food preservation. You can save money by wasting less food. Hotpoint fridge freezers boast beneficial features such as an antibacterial protection built into the fridge linings, which inhibits the growth of bacteria, making it a safe, healthy place to store food. Our fridge freezers also come equipped with safety glass shelves that are shatterproof, giving you peace of mind. On the largest models, there is an additional benefit of super cool and super freeze functions that quickly chill or freeze the weekly shop to ensure maximum freshness is retained. The eye care function sets the internal temperature of the fridge and the freezer to the optimum energy efficient level, dependent on the fridge freezer contents. The family size product also features a holiday setting, which will save you energy while you're away. Holiday setting allows a freezer to keep running as normal, whilst the fridge is set to 12 degrees with the door closed. Your Hotpoint appliance is covered for a full 12 months by our own parts and labour warranty. In addition, when you register your appliance, we also provide free parts for the first 5 years when fitted by our highly qualified engineers. The Hotpoint service is second to none as they are available 364 days a year. Our nationwide team of engineers is the largest white goods team in the UK and Republic of Ireland, with a fully trained team of specialists to ensure you receive a fast and reliable service.